Look at this. This is a very open space. Let me span from this area, guys, so you can appreciate how open it is. Oh, I'm seeing a really nice kitchen there. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are here in the southwest area of Las Vegas, and we're going to this single-story home. And before we proceed, don't forget to check out the channel page. There's a lot of videos there. Let's do this together, but please don't forget to subscribe down below, like this video, and also put those bell notifications on so that every time I post them, you'll be able to see them. Let's do this together. Alright guys, this is the front of the house, and this is starting from $515,890. 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, 2-car garage, single story. Again, there are some other plans that are in lower square footage starting from $484,990, but those are with lower square footage starting from 1,550. This particular model is 1,849 square feet. I'm super excited, guys, so let's check it out. I wanted to make sure that you subscribe so that you won't miss any of my videos. Knock knock. All right, upon opening the door, there is this window on the left side, and I don't know what this is for, that particular wall there, but it looks to me that it wanted to create a little bit of a foyer here. Right, let's go on this side first before we go to the main area. I think on the right side it's the walk-in or maybe like the coat closet. But let's take a look on this side first. By the way, guys, there are a total of 85 lots. They release 3 to 5 lots within 2 to 3 weeks. Look at this. Wow, this is a very spacious bedroom. Yes, as you can see, guys, it looks to me that they modeled this bedroom as if you have a daughter, right? Because of the color scheme, and it's pretty bright. Lots of windows. I think the windows here are bringing a lot of light, so I like that window there. And look at this, you have your closet space. It's a walk-in closet. Really admire that if the builder is thinking about secondary bedrooms with walk-in closets. But this is a very spacious secondary bedroom. All right, let's go back here and see what's happening. I think I saw a bathroom a while ago. Yeah, this one. And as you can see, guys, it's a full bathroom. Hello, guys. And it is a bathroom with a bathtub. Definitely you can upgrade this one, guys. I think this one is pretty standard to me, but I like the shape also. And this is a quartz, I believe. Light colored quartz, love that. All right, let's go back here. This one I think is the garage, which typically we cannot open. Right, and let's go. I think we're gonna go on this side first and see what's happening here. Ooh, look at this. They want you to have a baby, guys. They are forecasting that once you move to Vegas, or if you are buying a home here in KB Homes, you'll be having a baby. This is so cute. Look at this. You can sit there and watch your baby sleep, right? That's so cute. And then you have that closet there, closet area, so that if your baby grew up, she or he will have I think it's a she because the clothing is for a baby girl. Look at this. And that ship too is so cute. Look at that. So technically, guys, they want you to have a baby in the future. And this is a linen closet, right? And that one is very perfect location so that you can easily replace the linen there. All right, hello guys. And this one is the half bathroom, right? You can have this used by your guests as well. You can definitely change that pedestal sink into a cabinet type so that you have more storage space. What is in here? Let's open it. Oh, another linen closet. It looks like they want you to have a lot of linen for your baby so that the linen will always be there. And you look at this, you can have uh, a sitting area here for your guests as well if you want. But definitely, let's take a look. Are you excited, guys? This is it, the main living area. Look at this. This is a very open space. Let me span from this area, guys, so you can appreciate how open it is. Oh, I'm seeing a really nice kitchen there. I'm standing at the very corner of this dining table. By the way, guys, this is a gated community and it's only $42 per month of HOA. Love this living room area here. I'm gonna go in this corner and span it so that you can see what is happening from this side of the house. Look at that. The kitchen looks really good. Wow. And this is, of course, upgraded. There's a lot of things here that you can see as an upgrade, but the builder told me that usually people upgrade between 8 and 10% of the total base price. Let's take a look at this beautiful kitchen. Look at this. Lots of grain. For those of you guys who want this kind of waterfall, please comment down below. I really appreciate that waterfall there. This is a lot of space here. Cabinetry, you have a lot of countertops. They really maximize the space of the kitchen here so that you can cook easily, prepare your food. The cabinet colors are pretty good as well. Pretty large, actually. Look at this from this view, guys. While preparing your food, you can actually watch TV, watch your kids there while they are watching their favorite cartoon movie. And look at this huge sink here. Right? It's really open. And yeah, that TV there. They've used a lot of really nice furniture too. Look at this seating area here. I love that sofa there. Right? It looks very comfortable to me. This is a really nice open area. I can really tell that someone will love this floor plan here. It's not that big, but at the same time, it makes your living area appears big because of the layout. We haven't checked the area here, so it looks to me that this is your laundry area. It's a pretty big laundry area. You know what I would do if you have the chance, or meaning if the builder would allow you, you can put like a tub there for a small dog tub so that it's easy for you to clean them. All right. This is the, yes, at least you have, it's not too big. At least you have your pantry there. You can store some food there, right? Make sure you store foods because inflation is already getting very hard. Inflation is hitting us big time. Let's take a look at your owner's bedroom. Look at this. This is a really nice electric fan there, ceiling fan. And this huge windows here really makes this room even brighter. All right, let me go on this side. On this wall, guys, I would definitely put a wood paneling here. This is just my recommendation to make it a little bit more attractive and interesting. So if you want a wood paneling design, please comment down below. I'd be glad to share with you my designs or designs that I like. All right, this is your walk-in closet. I'm not sure if this is the only walk-in closet, guys, because I feel like the ladies would need a little bit more than this. So I'm not sure. Hopefully, yeah, but you can share this one with your husband or your wife if that is the only closet. I don't know, but this carpet, guys, definitely if you want to upgrade, you can choose like a vinyl plank, right? It's a 100% waterproof and scratch proof vinyl plank. I installed it in my bedroom and secondary bedrooms, and it looks great. Let's take a look at this bathrooms. Look at this. You have your bathtub there. Oh, this is a really good size owner's bedroom. I really appreciate, guys, when they have this sizable, very sizable shower area, and you have that seating area there for the ladies to be able to do their thing well. And then look at this. They've used this quartz wall, right? Really nice quartz wall. Definitely, you can choose a different type of tile here, but they just gave you an idea of how it will look like if we use that kind of wall. I really like this shower for some reason, and it's very very bright here. Ooh, this one. Hello guys, and these are your two sinks here, right? Nice quartz again, with a contrast of a darker cabinetry, so that's a really nice contrast there. And then the wood, I think this is a wood. Yeah, this flooring here, let's see. Yes, this is a wood flooring here. Really nice. And you have your separate toilet area here that you can close. And then, oh, look at this. You have another closet. I didn't realize you will have another closet. Your wife will be happy with this one so that she will not share with you guys. If you're a guy and then you have a wife, this is definitely your wife's closet area. I am so glad that they have another closet there. I want you guys to be happy. I don't want you to fight over a small closet. So that I am feeling so glad that you have this separate closet area for your wife. Yeah, this is a wife clothing, so definitely we have to give this to the wife. All right, let's go back there. This is your owner's bedroom. Yeah, that one is your closet area there, and then there's another one there. All right, look at this. Really nice bedroom area here. Looks big. This is really a big space, owner's bedroom. They are very generous when it comes to owner's bedroom here. Let's go back to the main area here. I think we haven't seen the backyard, so let's take a look if we can go out. It's watch your step. So that means we can probably go out if there's a sign. Yes. All right. So this is your backyard. I like that there is a roof already there, so that it protects you from the sun rays. Yeah, the ultraviolet rays. You have your barbecue area here. You know, guys, they said that you can actually upgrade your lot between $12,000 and $24,000 if you wanted a pool-sized lot, so that in the future, if you decide to put a swimming pool, you can definitely put a lot. Let's span from this area here. As you can see, guys, it's not a pool-sized lot, but don't be disappointed because you can definitely upgrade this into a pool-sized lot. And then definitely a budget for anything like this, right? Greeneries. This will be turned over to you just with dirt, nothing like this. So this is an upgraded backyard here. Just giving you an idea of how you can customize if you have this kind of space here. But definitely, I would highly recommend upgrading it. It's not bad, 12,000 to 24,000 to upgrade into a pool-size lot. And by the way, guys, they have a quick move-in by October. So if you wanted to be able to grab a home by October, for example, you're moving here in October or after that, then you can definitely get the home that is going to be completed by October. It's a quick move-in. So they use this grass here. This is a this is not a true grass, guys, because in Las Vegas we are trying to conserve water. So therefore, they wanted you to use artificial grass, which is actually easier to maintain. All right, let's take another look on this open area here, right? This is a really nice open area. It's not big, but it looks big because of the openness of it. And yeah, this kitchen here from this side, look at this one. There's a lot of recessed lighting. That's what I like, guys, when you have a lot of recessed lighting. And definitely nice windows. Look at that. And then that glass door make it even more bigger. It appears big because of that glass door too. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Appreciate it. Please comment down below what you think of this home. I appreciate your support, guys. We are growing, so please check out the channel page. And until next time, thanks and have a great day.